If you want to repost a reel on your story on Instagram, it only takes a couple steps. So it's very simple to do. So go ahead and go to your Instagram account, go to the Reels section at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go ahead and choose the reel that you want to repost. So once you find your reel, you're going to want to go to the share icon at the bottom right-hand corner. It kind of looks like a paper airplane almost. And you just want to go to add to story. And from here, do what you need to do if it's font or any GIFs or any things like that on your story itself, just like you normally would. And then go to share, and then go ahead and hit done. And that reel will be part of your story, and you'll be able to share it like a normal story. If you want to repost something that you posted, go ahead and come out of here. Go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. Go to the three bars at the top right corner. And from here, you want to go to archive. And you have your stories archive, and you can go through and repost any reels that you may have posted as a story itself. So you may have had previous reels that you've had and you've posted. So it's really simple to go back and repost that reel as well. And that's it.